Welcome to our channel where we showcase the best drones on the market today. In this video, we'll be taking a look at some of the top drones available and discussing their features and capabilities. Drones are becoming increasingly popular, both for personal and professional use. From capturing stunning aerial footage to delivering packages and surveying land, there are countless applications for these versatile machines. Whether you're a hobbyist, a photographer, or a professional drone pilot, there's sure to be a drone on this list that meets your needs. In this video, we'll be highlighting drones from some of the biggest and most well-known drone manufacturers in the industry. We'll be discussing factors such as flight time, range, camera quality, and maneuverability to help you make an informed decision when choosing a drone. Make sure to stick around till the end of the video to see all the features in action, and also check the link in the description to find the best deal. Let's get started. Number 6. Holy Stone HS440. 1080 tip H auto adjustable camera. Equipped with a 1080 tip H camera that can be adjusted within 90 degrees by your remote control or the app, this drone can give you an exciting experience of aerial scenery from the 112 deg wide angle lens and assist you to catch every wonderful moment from a bird's eye perspective. Whether you're shooting at a deserted beach or capturing the details of a fun family reunion, HS440 can handle it all. Sweet airtime. Enjoy an extended flight time of up to 20 minutes with the powerful modular battery and capture and explore more of your surroundings. Number 5. DJI Mini 2. The DJI Mini 2 is a small, compact drone designed for hobbyists and casual users who want to capture stunning aerial footage. Here are some of its key features: ultra, lightweight, and portable. Weighing in at just 249 grams, the DJI Mini 2 is one of the lightest and most portable drones on the market, making it easy to carry around and fly. High-quality camera. The Mini 2 features a 12-megapixel camera capable of capturing fork video at 30 frames per second. It also has a 3-axis motorized gimbal that provides smooth and stable footage intelligent features. The DJI Mini 2 comes equipped with a range of intelligent features, including GPS, altitude hold, and obstacle detection. It also has pre-programmed quick-shot modes that allow users to capture professional-looking shots with just a few taps. Long battery life. The Mini 2 has a maximum flight time of 31 minutes, which is impressive considering its small size. Overall, the DJI Mini 2 is a great choice for anyone looking to get into drone photography and videography. It's easy to use, produces high-quality footage, and has a range of intelligent features that make flying fun and accessible for everyone. Number 4. DEERC S20 Mini Drone. DEERC S20 Mini Drone is a small quadcopter drone that is designed for both indoor and outdoor flying. It features a 720 ph camera that can take photos and record videos, and it is capable of performing 360-degree flips and roll. The drone has a compact and lightweight design, making it easy to carry around and store. It also comes with a controller that has a range of up to 50 meters and can be used to control the drone's movements. One of the key features of the DEERC S20 Mini Drone is its altitude hold function, which allows the drone to maintain a steady altitude while in flight. This feature is particularly useful for beginners who are still learning how to fly a drone. The drone has a flight time of around 20 minutes and comes with 2 rechargeable batteries. It also has a low battery alarm to alert the pilot when it's time to return the drone to the ground for recharging. Overall, the DEERC S20 Mini Drone is a great option for beginners who are looking for an easy-to-use and affordable drone for aerial photography and simple flying maneuvers. Voice control and gesture selfie. Allow to control the drone with simple voice comments like takeoff, landing. Post a V sign or palm in front of the camera. The drone can automatically take photos or video. Good for selfie. Number 3. TSRC X7 Drone. The TSRC X7 Drone is a remote-controlled quadcopter designed for aerial photography and videography. It features a high-definition camera that can capture photos and videos in 4K resolution, allowing you to capture stunning aerial footage. The drone is equipped with a 6-axis gyroscope for stable flight and has a range of up to 500 meters. It also has a built-in GPS system for accurate positioning and features a one-key return function to bring the drone back to its takeoff location The TSRC X7 Drone has a flight time of up to 25 minutes and comes with a rechargeable battery. It also features altitude hold, which allows the drone to maintain its altitude automatically, making it easier to capture stable footage. The drone can be controlled using a remote controller, which features a built-in LCD screen to display flight information and camera footage in real time overall. The TSRC X7 Drone is a high-quality and feature-packed drone that is suitable for both beginner and intermediate drone pilots who are looking to capture stunning aerial footage. Number 2. Hiturbo S20 Drone. Drone with 1080p camera. A camera mounted on it can be manually adjusted to see what's in front of the drone while it's flying, or it can be aimed down to see what's directly below it. I'm sure you can take some interesting photos and videos, or even use it to inspect the roof of a house or other hard-to reach areas. Friends can shoot each other skating and capture really cool videos. Play longer. The FPV drone has 2 rechargeable batteries, each providing approximately 12 minutes of flight time. 2 batteries can be swapped and charged in rotation, greatly extending the fun time. Note that more flips and faster speeds will reduce the flight time per battery. Remote control and app. You can fly the Mini drone with remote control or a smartphone, but in order to capture video or images, you must be connected to the drone via Wi-Fi and the Hiturbo FPV app. If you need to use the voice control, trajectory flight, and other functions which under the control switch button in the app, you need to disconnect the remote control from the drone. Connect the drone with the app individually. Number 1. RADCLO Mini Drone. 1080 type adjustable FPV drone, EPAP control equipped with a 1080 G90 manually adjustable lens. The drone provides a wider, breathtaking field of view. It assists you to catch every wonderful moment from a bird's eye perspective and lets you enjoy 1080 pictures and videos via the RADCLO app. By connecting your phone iPad with the long-distance drones with cameras, you can enjoy a real-time panoramic view and share them on your social media with ease. Easy to use with stable altitude hold function, just click the one key takeoff landing button to start flying. Compared to other drones of the same type, we have a more powerful engine and more stable hover technology. The altitude hold function can keep the drone at a certain altitude for easy control fly and shoot high quality footage. Larger body size full accessories. The package comes with a carrying case that is convenient for outdoor travel. With 2 800 mAh batteries, even if the body is larger than other drones, it can last for 22 minutes. Equipped with controller batteries, propeller guard, and spare fan blades, making this drone stands out in its class. It is also a good choice for gifts. For more detail, follow the link given in the description box down below. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.